Hello and welcome to this new lecture on the procedure to apply the scroll view component. The ideas of how to design a form and how to apply a specific event to a form were covered in the previous lesson. A form was used in the previous lecture on press events. We currently have a modest, straightforward app with a straightforward sign-up and login page. However, this app lacks any uniqueness or quality. Thus, we can't yet call it an excellent app. But since no work connected to scrolling has been completed to date, we will be talking about a crucial aspect. VS Code is a good place to start. Copy the codes for the login page's inputs. Continue pasting these codes into the VS Code. Now, when you save the file and open a browser, you should notice that the login page will display a lot of inputs. As you aren't able to scroll down and view all the inputs entirely in this app just quite yet, you are currently unable to see all of the inputs on the login page. If you use the scroll view component, you will be able to scroll pages and see all inputs. Therefore, import the scroll view component into Visual Studio, then use the scroll view component, immediately enter the view tag. Now trim the scroll view closing tag and put it immediately above the view closing tag. The program is now working properly because scrolling is possible when you save the file and open the browser. This way you can use the scroll view component. Okay, so in an app, scroll view is available everywhere. One thing to keep in mind is that every time you use a component or element in Visual Studio Code, you must import it. Okay, so this concludes the fundamental lecture on scroll view, and now on to the next lecture.